Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the unit and power. Install fresh batteries or plug in the USB cable so consistent voltage reaches the LEDs. Once done, set the mode to the intended option, manual for on-demand, timer to limit runtime, or sensor for motion activation, because each mode changes behavior and power draw. Make sure to position the lamp 3 to 6 feet from the area you'll illuminate. This gives even coverage without glare and avoids hotspots that reduce useful light. Next, adjust brightness and direction so the light matches your purpose. Choose low for ambient night glow, medium for safe navigation, or high for reading. You should angle the head toward pathways or a bedside book, not directly at eyes, because glare disrupts sleep and comfort. If your model has dimming or step levels, fine-tune gradually and then lock settings if possible. This prevents accidental changes and preserves battery life. Also test motion response distance and delay so it triggers when you expect. To finish, run a quick functional check. Cycle through modes, verify timers, and walk past motion sensors to confirm activation. If everything behaves as intended, secure the unit and enjoy consistent, low-energy lighting. If you notice flicker or weak output, replace batteries with fresh alkaline cells because low voltage causes intermittent LEDs. If buttons or sensors fail, reset the device according to the manual. That clears software glitches. And make sure contacts and USB ports are clean and fully seated to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.